Hello, I'm Anton Rozhenkov, teacher, researcher, and scientist. I'm interested in natural science, especially chemistry, and information technology, IT. I graduated from Moscow State University, Lomonosov Moscow State University. I'm from Russia. I live in Moscow now. My course will be devoted to research methods of information on the internet. As shown by my practice, only a quarter of students have the skills necessary information retrieval. Advanced search skills can give you an incredible advantage in working with information, training, learning, in achieving the objectives of the work. They are very useful forever. These skills very useful forever. Researchers, highly skilled programmer, and also a school student. Next step after learning my course can be a professional discipline, for example, data mining. My course will consist of 4 parts. The first part have a search engines and a few work about architecture and composition of search engines. Second part, how to use the most common Google search engine in the world. Yes, not so many people can use Google for all power. Use the full potential of Google search engine. Use not only a search line, but also a special search commands, which will make the search more effective. In the third part, I will discuss additional search possibilities in Google, as well as using Google to search for scientific information. I tell you about a completely different algorithms for finding the answers to the questions of interest to you. For example, the so-called computation of responses with help of Wolfram Alpha, a unique system, Wolfram Alpha. If you talk about specific games to practice search skills, the use of search engine Google's for entertainment, I tell you about mind maps and search techniques, search methods for programmers. In the final 4th part, I will explain about the huge part of the internet, which he calls an alternative internet. Typically, it contains information that is not accessible to the normal internet. Normal internet and alternative internet can be compared to each other as the tip of the iceberg and the full body of iceberg. Unbelievable. Appointment of the alternative side of the internet. It's primarily the protection of the user and to find answers of those questions that can't not be found in the usual way if you want to really crank dark deeds. It is better to find another source of knowledge for this. Here you do not learn it. After each section, you will find a small test, small quiz. The test will help determine the level of your knowledge. A test will help me understand where the students the most problems in order to make the course even better in the future. I'll be grateful if you would send me your opinion about the course. In the future, I plan on improving the course. I plan to create other educational courses related to these course topics. Thank you and good luck in your studies. Let's go!